Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to properly wash your rice. Stick around and let me show you how it's done. Growing up as a child, my mom will always tell me, "My dear, please wash that rice properly because I don't want to eat tuwo rice at all." And my mom is right. There are so many starch in rice that cause it to be mochi, I mean soft. And if you don't properly wash your rice will be all gooey and sticky. In Nigeria, when your rice is too soft, they call it tuwo rice. My mom will say, "I don't want tuwo rice, I don't want to eat tuwo rice." Now let me show you how to properly wash your rice. The reason why we wash our rice like this is to remove all the starch from the rice. If you don't properly wash your rice, it will be sticky and very mushy. But when you follow this method in washing your rice, it will be non-sticky and it will be very enjoyable when eating. Don't get me wrong, tuwo rice is good I mean soft rice is good, but it is more enjoyable when you are making it in coconut rice or banga rice, or depending on your country or culture, depending on how you make it. But for our everyday white rice, fried rice, jollof rice or stir-fried rice, it is best to wash your rice this way. So guys, I'm simply just washing the rice, pouring out the starchy water, getting in fresh water. Just keep doing this method until your water becomes clear. So guys, as you can see, my rice is starting to be clean. The water is no longer cloudy. Now, most people use salt to wash their rice. I don't use salt, but actually, salt makes your rice cleaner and it makes this process faster. If you feel comfortable using salt, yeah, sure, go ahead, use salt. So guys, as you can see, my rice is clean, the water is clear. I'm ready for cooking. I would say for this method, I washed my rice about 7 to 8 times without salt. And with salt, you probably have to wash 4 to 5 times. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Bye.